technology award of the night, the TCT Hardware Award for Non-Polymer Systems, which non-polymer innovation will come out on top. The highly commended project is Grenzebach Dual Setup Station, EOS edition by EOS, partnership with Grenzebach. To present the award itself, please welcome to the stage on behalf of our sponsor ASTM, Sir Martin White. The winner of the TCT Hardware Award Non-Polymer Systems 2025 is hybrd.AM for cutting tools by Additive Stream 4D, in partnership with AMF Clamping Systems and 3D Additive Manufacturing.
Do I want to say something? I think I'm between the bar and the nominations and all the prizes. Thank you, Mom and Dad, you came out tonight. 10 years ago, I had my first speech. And thank you, Wilhelm. You just got on the Hall of Fame. You taught me how to do it. 10 years later, we see each other. Thank you. Dan, John, Eddie, thank you for supporting us, bringing us to the UK. And thank the team who do amazing work. And we grew. We are ready to serve you. Thank you.